Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the CRAFTSMAN V20 Reciprocating Saw Cordless Tool. This is the CMCS300B, part of the V20 Cordless system. So if you have some V20 CRAFTSMAN batteries, the 2 amp hour, the 4 amp hour, you're all set to go. I'll have the link to buy this battery and the 4 amp. I recommend that you stick with CRAFTSMAN because I tried some of the third-party ones from China and they're just horrible. So stick with the original battery that's got the indicator, the power indicator, and high quality. So this has got a high-performance motor with a 1-inch stroke, so it'll go back and forth 1 inch. For most applications, that'll be perfectly fine to cut wood, tree branches, metal. Its full variable speed triggering range from 3,000 RPMs up to 3,000 RPMs, and it starts basically at 0 on there using that control right there. Has a tool-free blade release system. We're going to show how to use that at close-up. It's compact size. It's only 14.5 inches, so that you can cut in really tight places. It's pretty lightweight too. Has a really nice contoured handle molded with this rubberized material. With this grip, you can see it's very nice. It feels really good. And it's compatible with the VERSATRACK Wall Organization System that you can mount and buy separately here. It has a 3-year warranty from CRAFTSMAN. And again, I'm going to have the links for these high capacity batteries because these provide extreme runtime for this tool. They have a longer cycle life, extended battery life, 3 LED state of charge, so you know what's going on, and it's 20 volts at 2 amp hours with heavy duty plastic. And this also has a 3-year warranty too, which is unheard of in the battery market. Usually you get a year. So we're gonna attach this battery here. It just slides right in, and you can push this button to unlock it like that, or you don't even have to push that button. And let's do a close-up of this next so you can see how that works. So here's a close-up of the trigger mechanism. So very simple. You just pull this in and it starts going slow and then it goes faster and faster. You have a lock on here. If you click that, push that, then it no longer will operate for safety reasons. But you can see how that works. Now let's go to the other end right here. And you can see when I'm pushing it how slow it will go. All the way up to the full speed. Very nice. Now we're going to show the mechanism on here for holding the blade. The blade is included. You can see it's been used. I'm going to show where I used it. So this also has a nice guard on here that you can see. Heavy duty non-slip solid metal. That allows you to rest it against your work area, either on this side or this side. You could put this blade either way, so you can cut the normal position like that, or you can invert it like that. So this quick connect thing, you can see, you rotate it all the way to the right, and then you put the blade right inside there, like that, and then you release it, and it locks it in place perfectly. Very simple. Then you just reverse that to open it up. So that's all you do, and the combination of the speed control and this guard and that simple mechanism makes this work really, really nice. Now I'm going to show how I use this tool to cut trees in my backyard. We recently had a horrible storm. I'm going to show that next. So we just had this storm. There's 100-mile-per-hour winds, and it damaged part of my house, but it caused damage to a lot of trees. And this tool I just bought because I already had CRAFTSMAN V20 for a blower, which I'll put a link for also, as well as this. Worked amazing to cut down all of these trees right here. And some of these branches were 5.5 to 6 inches thick, and it just went through it just like butter. I'm going to just show you an example. I'll make some cuts on this with it, with the Craftsman tool. So here's a nice thick section to demonstrate. There you go. So what's my overall opinion about the Craftsman V20 Reciprocating Saw Cordless Tool, the CMCS300B series? I really love this product. This thing works so well to cut those trees down. Lightweight, 3-year warranty, works with existing batteries that I had. I just really love the quick release on here, the feel of this. You just don't get fatigued with it. So I'm just really impressed with this product and the quality of it. So I'm going to give this Craftsman tool a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.